Hey there, Bipti here. Welcome to another short tutorial about Mindustry version 6 logic. This time I would like to show you how to create a simple timer. It will not be precise, but if you need some delay in your scripts, you can use this approach and it should work. So first of all, we're going to create a microprocessor and a message block. We're going to link them up by clicking this and then this, just for some debugging, just to see what happens. So first of all, we are going to set current time to add time. This is an internal variable. This gives you the time in milliseconds at the moment. Then we're going to say, just to make it more readable, like delay is going to be 1000 milliseconds. And we're going to use yet another variable called wait until, and it's going to be, whoops, it's not going to be set, it's going to be an operation, right? Because you want to, well, I want to combine current time, the current time back then, not over here, current time plus delay. This is until when we will wait. Then we will need to have a, well, let's see. We're going to say if time is larger or equal to wait until, we're going to jump to, well, something, right? We're going to jump ahead to something useful. How about we create a simple for loop? I think this is good. So I will just say there's a counter. Oh, I destroyed the counter. I'm going to put a counter here. This has nothing to do with the timer. It's just a counter for us. It's 0 in the beginning. And then we're going to do an operation on it. We're going to say counter is going to be counter plus 1. And the result, well, this was a mistake. Okay, so we're going to set counter plus 1, then we're going to print it, we're going to flush it, counter, and once we're done, we're going to just go back and start over at where we, at the beginning of the counter, where we take the current time and we wait for a bit. So if it's larger than this thing, we're going to jump ahead over here. But if it's not, we're going to just say, well, you know what, just go ahead and check if it's been enough time. This is going to go, this is going to be executed over and over. So we're going to check if the time is, waiting time is over until we can finally jump out and do the thing we wanted to do. And otherwise we're going to be stuck between these two. You can modify the delay, make sure to, when you want the timer again, to jump back to the place where you set the current time to the current time. And let's see, so if this works, we should see, let's see, 1000 milliseconds. What's 1000 milliseconds? It's 1 second. So we should see a timer being counted up slowly, not really fast, 30 times per second, but really slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. This is how you can introduce a delay to your code and kind of use a timer when you want stuff to happen slower. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.